What's up and welcome. This is Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer from South Africa. In this video, I want to hear your own opinion. I am done with an OTP UI design, but let's start with the important thing. This UI design has been inspired by this design. I was browsing on the internet, and when I was checking on the OTP UI screen, I saw this awesome design. As you can see, I was trying to get it exactly like this, but I had to compromise, and let me tell you why. Simply because I didn't understand what is going on here. For me, it looked obviously like a text input, but it was too small to be a text input, so I had to make some changes. So for me, this is how this works. As you can see, this is a text input. Okay, this is a text input, so I have made some adjustment and I've made some changes. So let's appreciate the designer. So this is the guy who did this awesome design. Okay, let's get back to business. Okay, so let me quickly demonstrate what I did here. Okay, as you can see, you can type here. Okay, our keyboard, it's a numeric one, that means it's numbers only. So when you type here, look at what happens here. Okay, so it shows you that you have typed number 2 in your input. It shows nothing, it's more like it's blank. Okay, so it shows the numbers that we are putting here. So let's check on number 2. Okay, and then let's check on number 3, and let's check on number 4. So when you cancel, as you can see, it shows the stars there. So I have made some additions obviously from this design, so that's why I'm not saying this is a clone or I have some sort of developed this UI exactly, but as you can see, guys, it has served as a basis, okay, for inspiration. Okay, so it's almost like it, but I have made some adjustment. Okay, so what I want to hear from you is, do you want to see this? Okay, more especially this part. Okay, this part is the most interesting one. So in this video, I'm just asking, do you want to see this? If yes, guys, please do me a favor and click the like button, okay, or just shoot a comment. At least if I can get 100 likes in this video, then tomorrow obviously I will show you exactly how I have developed this awesome user interface using React Native. And that's it, React Native Expo. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. I'm starting a new series on designing awesome user interfaces, where I will show you all the skills on how do you do this. So these are not images. Okay, so in this design there are no images. It's not like I've went to a graphic design software and I did some images. This is all the code. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. Don't forget to code badly with pride.